here we are, British Grand Prix. It's a place that's got some happy memories for you.
Yes, a few podiums. My first debut in Formula 1 5 years ago at that weekend at 16 years old, driving in Formula 3. So, yeah, very cool memories. But unfortunately, I think winning is out of reach this weekend. So we'll continue doing what we've done this year. And I have plenty to improve. So being on track is a great opportunity to do exactly that.
Austria was a tough couple of weeks. I know you tried so much between all the practice sessions just to see where you were at with the car. Did you come out of it with any greater understanding?
Not exactly. I think it's very difficult to draw a parallel line between this weekend and the one before because the characteristics are very different. But the more you drive, the stronger you become, and I'm going to get some more driving, so that's great.
I know before we talked about the changing of the setup, quite a dramatic change, and I asked you if you wanted to just settle with one thing and change incrementally, but given the season we've got so much more of it left. Is it totally up to you, or is it the team that's deciding the direction you're taking?
I think Haas is a special team where there is a lot of discussions and compromises and a lot of listening to even young drivers, which is, I think, for us, it's something that we really appreciate. So yeah, there is definitely a lot of discussions, but I also have a chance to lead the team because ultimately I need to be the one driving the car and I need to be the one comfortable with it. So we've had some very good Microsoft team calls in between the races to come up with a plan that we will apply in terms of setup for the upcoming 5 races, and then we're going to revise it again to see if that's working or not.
Okay, interesting. Finally, sprint qualifying is going to be very different for everybody. You're used to sprint races in Formula 2. Is there anything that you can bring with that knowledge and apply it to this weekend, or is it quite different, being that it's sort of the reverse of how you used to do it?
Well, I am quite happy that there are changes. I think F1 has had a very same format for so many years, and me being a big fan, I got used to it as well. So to try something else and to be a part of trying something else is cool. My personal feeling is that it's not going to change so much for the driver. However, it will make only positive things for the fans because now you have a real reason to turn up Friday, Saturday and Sunday. But it's all talk right now. Let's wait and see when it comes.